Hi, Katie. Hi. You have so many Y's on your MySpace. I was just emphasizing the Y's. Katie. Anyways. This is just girly Katie. And we're bored. Because there's nothing to do.
And it's 12:23 a.m. So many faces of Osama bin Laden.
So anyways.
I'm taking a crap. See his face.
Look at your face.
Look at your face.
I was bored. So anyways, Katie. Oh shit. No, it's just kidding. I'm just kidding. We don't do drugs. Drugs are bad.
Amen. Testify.
Oh. What did it say? Anyways.
We're not so hilarious.
I don't know how to spell hilarious.
I gotta watch that.
But that's hair red weed.
Yeah.
Big black.
Scissor hands.
You dog. Is this the same one?
Yeah. You not ready?
What is it?
Mexican candy.
I've had a lot of Mexican candy. But not that.
I mean, around your neck.
Oh yeah, do you guys like my necklace? This is a penis. It glows in the dark. It really does glow in the dark. But it's not dark, obviously. Obviously. So anyways, we're bored. Whose baby is that, honestly? Is that a big black? Because he doesn't look big and black.
Probably.
I don't think he has a baby. He does? Have a baby?
He's a pig.
Yeah, I don't think it is his.
He's got exactly like candy. That can be SpongeBob.
Quit throwing Mexicans at me.
Oh, it's a boo.
Doodling.
I trim my boos.
This is wrong coming from a girl. I'm sorry.
You're nasty.
You're nasty.
He loses his penis.
Katie's saying bad things.
And what is it?
I'm supposed to be the bad influence, so could you just like keep everything you say rated G? Please?
I'm single, honey. He doesn't mean nothing.
Well, I'm supposed to be the bad influence from everybody.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I got it. Oh, it's magic. Oh. Oh, I was using my hand. So anyways, can you just please not deal with that right now? I'm trying to do something. No, don't do that. You brushed my back with Mexican candy?
The funny thing about my back is it's located on my cock.
Oh, yeah.
Your back.
You scratch your back, we'll scratch yours. What was her name?
You want to watch it?
No. I want to figure it. Jules? Was it Jules or was the
Yeah.
other one Jules?
Jules is,